So if you see these little seed balls on your path, they're called seed balls from a sycamore tree, which is an American tree. Sometimes these are called button balls, and they're a cluster of tiny hairy seeds. Now, when you see them on your path, they can be very fun to play with. I'll just show you an example. So, I just figured out one way of playing with them. You can grab it, and sometimes they're really delicate. You can just, oh no, this one's not letting me pull it. Well, that one's just fallen apart. Sometimes you can grab them. Where's one? There we go. We can just sort of squish them apart like that. Wow, look at that. Wow. Sometimes you can squish them like this with your foot. Stomp, 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 stomp. And when the sycamore tree grows, it looks like this. Look at that.